Welcome to my channel again. Ngasi akoigi topic sina profit and loss. Another topic with the new Jill and excitement. Ngasi class hojik haurasi. Anyway, profit ajina kaino, loss ajina kaino. First of all, I have to understand that. Akoina si understand to ba matarkar hoye. So profit and loss understand to gai tadi. First of all, akoina CP. CP is nothing but cost price. Cost price have a mukhang batai, and then you have selling price also. Now, I'm doing a cost price as you cost price size in I consider the price at which you bought an article. Nangna what am a labor matam the PO paisa do cost price duga high same thing, same item though if you sell, then that is called the selling price. Okay, I video recording so yun the tawunina I mean marang tum disturbance tum lakari. But anyway, mayam focus on the lecture, not on the background music, right? Home wala feel right? Yungi feel la madum program ganina to can go to Kong and we go Kong. Okay, sell an article, right? Article am sell to matamda pango price na, that is called as what? Selling price. I can have now concept. What is the concept? Kitang understand to if the selling price is greater than cost price, selling price na cost price to henta ragadi, then we will say that we will say that there is a gain or profit. I can have Gantay ko nang napoda malay lay poto mu yon bakanda nangi yolim manduna lay mandagi henta ragadi, then we are having a gain or profit. And then magi akogi, so what is a gain or profit? Gain or profit say kamay putokata ki hai kanda, it is nothing but SP minus CP, selling price minus cost price. Alright. On the other hand, kay gumbanangi SP dudagi, SP sina cost price tagi less oitaraba. Yata ko SP sina cost price tagi less oitadi, then we will say that we have a loss. Aduna koi na loss e kamay putoke hai kanda cost price minus SP. Si loy khanga mani da koi satra jingje apaw nga tane akang banga tane natra kara ego ka yauzerazu, right? Adu still sidi khanga mani na khale, right? No, somebody will be saying, right, kay na dam live zu tai se kay non natra dam live zu tai kay non to liladi ho da ngai tam na ho si makhan sum yeng si ko kamai to ra la ka ge case. Anyway, now see what the kanga mane khale. I hope everybody know about this. So now profit percentage puto hairadi kamay puto kani profit percentage puto hai taragadi. All we have to do is that profit divided by cost price into 100. Sima kanjal profit check another base to calculate tawni cost price. Similarly, if you want to find the loss percentage would okay the loss divided by cost price into 100. Aduna what we have to understand, profit percentage or loss percentage the holy cost price the holy. So important point kari profit percentage or loss percentage se kanada calculate to have a based on cost price ta si khangadi yare. Then percentage concept I already I talk rabani I video the yengu percentage concept to khangata ragadi percentage concept ki video da har yeng matung da, then we have to start solving the question ko aduna kanaguma percentage concept like tataragadi ai video ani do hana yeng to percentage ki matang video already ai na channel se thagat kram. Now question number 6. Okay, तो percentage से कहीं नहीं बा percentage है 100 तो हट पदुने. Now I know जी हाइनिंग इबा सिना कमाई तरो होले अंगा वरी दा cost कोइना loss percentage और profit percentage के दौबा पुथोगा है कांदा let करी है x की method हम खंग दो पोतो let x be the cost price or selling price whatever पुथो x की concept now see x की concept है सिना कहनो this is called base concept सी अंगा वरी concept exam द सिना गदरा we are not going to use exam द कोइना base concept से सिना रो कहिनो because ना सिना ले रदी गेंदा को ना सिना ले तार कदी exam सुनंग नंगो so it's like औजे केनो वर्ल्ड वार क्या डिफाइड तौरे वर्ल्ड वार अनि डिफाइड तौरे नत्रा थर्ड वर्ल्ड वार के गुम तौरें खल्लो लेट्स से थर्ड वर्ल्ड वार से तौरें खल्लो तो तार गदी नंग थर्ड वर्ल्ड वार चको मतम दा एक्स कंसेप्शन ना भाई जे केनो लाइक नंग ना वर्ल्ड वार चंगा कांदा नंग ना एक्स कंसेप्शन ना जे के माने है कांदा वर्ल्ड वार चंगा कांदा नंग कई पाइबो को माने साइन के 303 राइफल पाई रगा लान तौने चंग मगा चमाने so it's not going to use ज्ञान को एक्स कंसेप्ट है जे राइफल पार लान तौने राइफल बुहार राइफल दी तरह बुझा एनीवे के है जी का थांग है जिने रास थांग पार का थांग पार का लान गमने न लागवा चप माने थांग और राइफल ओके अनि मग चप माना इन आवर केस बिकॉज़ थर्ड वर्ल्ड वॉर दी हा बटन ने लाल लोय दुस एनीवे अदु ता दी ये ngasiने दु दे सो नाउ अगेन आई कंसेप्ट अनि ताकनी को concept ani ta kani concept budi mayam le madu quite useful level concept ani dine ina se sida kai aina mayam la tawning je anyway the hui jo muk khong okay background dum like no tra okay so avoid it okay avoid it concentrate focus on the lecture anyway concept ani ta kani ani do hanas te explain tawng kamaina karam kandana 100 sin na gada wa karam kandana fraction sin to question jo tum phochi let's see here first question paro a commodity is sold for rupees 34.80 that means 34.80 jinangi kaino this is your selling price with a loss of how much 25% right kya manga 100 ta 25 manga now what is the cost price angmani cost price kya no na putu wai bani right first concept ai ama sina based on 100 putu wai je kaino cost price. So let's say cost price to 100 and loge. So what will be the selling price? Yung sila kya मांगे है? Loss is 25%. तो अदुना चाम अद 25 मांगम नि ना चाम पी पोतो हुजे कया दि योला ने 100 minus 25 will be 75 to yola ne. Now see 75 से कई का माने this 75 see ने ना सी selling price ना थ्रो selling price in actual money it is 34.80 question da hangina uji kaino cost price putu hai pani and what is the cost price ki value di 100 to 75 kai ga mane 34.8 so 1 kya ga mane again unitary method apply taro 34.8 divided by 75 now we have to find this 100 ki equivalent putu hai pani 1 si ga mane ramne na 100 will be 100 is 100 into 34.8 divided by 75 calculate taro 25 na ko 25 3 25 4 3 na kakpa yaba re yango sigi 3 34.8 se 34.8 se 3 na kakpa yaba re yange hadi ke dawni sum taro digit me am jingje to divide tawbe yabra right yai ko yaram ne ko tholo 313 and 0.6 so 4 into 11.6 so what is the answer is going to be 46.4 rupees. This is one concept. Yeah, see concept na kaino. This concept is called as percentage concept. Okay, let me repeat. Ahan bahu bani na. Muna taura. Cost price putu ai bani. Khang dabu cost price to in 100 and low sale. Okay, you know because loss percentage or profit percentage size ko na kaida putu I kaida base taraga cost price ta duna cost price to 100 and low sale loss kya ne hai 25 so 100 te ki 20 adu tadi 100 te le ko pot to 25 mangam ni hoji selling price kya ho raha ni 75 now according to the question see 75 se kai ga mane 34.8 natro 75 kya ga mane 34.8 1 de kya ga mane ka ni 34.8 divided by 75 100 kya ga mane ni puto the answer is 46.4 now next method I'm going to use live method no like pava je khara wakan nuai la pa ga natra matha sa like pava ya pote anyway so duna pekha the exam phau ga ta di first of all clear your thoughts of all the negativity me am ka to just chill happy enjoy right mayam pangang bata ro no I like I pung tara like pai pung tara mari like pai kun mari like pai doesn't matter okay nang like pa bu di pa ya like mang da not pung mang da pham pung pa bi the cook the chang the kai kan so the thing is tabak taw matam da give your 100% on any topic on anything right adu du ne ma ko na tabak taw ba yam ne ta yam tabak suraga or yam na ka ta ga ta pisa pai adi leite na tabak am su bi pisa pai na have leite na ko right no kai kan ne hojing matam da kai no kwa ji important thing se kai no ako ki thai na ki hard work ki matam du loi gre okay success lakna hona da kai changi hard work changi but hard work sina always success pi ga dra hai natte hojing matam da kai darkar oi hojing matam da darkar oi se smart work sina yam darkar oi hard work na success piram tar ka di thabak yang wana suri me am ngasi crore pati lo oram mane do kanam oi da bani right so be practical in life ta kitang practical oyo okay right anyway ata di yeng se so ai nai ni smart work to hai so si channel je noi na me am na noi ngasi lai ko lai si kai no because you want to do the smart work to ning gi lai ne hard work you had in noi the pa hin me ha class 7 gi like paro 8 ki like paro maths du holu ada hol but adu hard work ko adu matam yam chang da poni and then the results if a phazaro right so you have to be very smart right how ji kai lai technology me am like ai ga lai ji kai we have to do the smart work right smartphone ga pai se natra okay so kitang evolve to batam se natra ga di sum maning du sum le hora ga di pekha du sum maning sum le ho ne right aduga video ji yari ma kai ung share su to ko ako isa itanda dum khanjal laga ai pass nga dum ai mangaren to bai thabak tu ma thado ba kai gun hai kan da because the more you share the video share to matung na no gi whatever no gi like but DAF and clearance ma'am the tam na amaga discussion to matung da then akoi gi clarity to lakane and then aina sum yang lai channel sida comment to ba me yam wale si aina si videos if I make it like on the YouTube channel like in English or Hindi hoita di ana thousands or maybe ma'am likes and then view ma'am yam mani but adu ai tawning there because I want to do something right manipur go na kitang tawning bagi si sembai wane right adu comment dum iro and then comment ai pawe am pami because noi comment gi feedback phang da di ke dor ni ha ko gi mobile am paira ga hi passing ga dum nathanda dum khanga nathan dum loisal le do ha adu gi mentality to taw no just share and then the thoughts me am do karai the gyan ta da or something improvement learning bujung do adu su dum hai ro that we have to discuss khana na ya dana sum itanda sum khanga itanda dum ha adu tor ga di ya ro ba ai su feedback me am low ni kamai na video se sem ni na so that the video should be very interesting wa na ba so matam ngung evolve to bom darkar oi ba and we are trying here to evolve our things so let's see now hoje mo ai anoba akogi hoji latest ai tare ne ko x ki method ai tak pe x ki method tak ta ga nang si matam am chang ne taw ai ba duna so pekha yu na darkar oi ba shortcut method to tak ke and it's very interesting also every percentage ki method am tak re now I am going on to this method now yung loss kya no loss is given as 25% I will see क्या का माने fraction the 1/4 I will do 25 divided by 100 I will नहीं करता ना रगा 1/4 यार को so loss हो चुके क्या ने बको ये loss is 1/4 that means सी की 4 जिना कहीं होते बा cost price and this is loss aduna hai badi let me make a table nangi cost price to kai 4 hoita raga di selling price kya oigani 4 cost price 4 oi matam da nang kya mangi hai 1 so -1 daw do ta di kya ta re 3 Is that okay? See, aniko kanganiko. The 3 is a kya kamane hai? 3 is a selling price. The selling price is given here in terms of rupees 34.80. 34.80 का माने. अको जब पुतवाई ना करी cost price तो क्या का माने 4. Now 3 क्या का माने this. 1 क्या का माने करी unitary method पालो. क्या अंतर का? This divided by 3. क्या का माने? Divided by 3. 1.6 rupees. 1 क्या का माना रहे? 1 is 11.6. Now अको ना पुतवाई तो ये कहना 4. 4 का माना हमने 40 क्या का माना नहीं? 44 into 11.6, that is 46.4 rupees, and that is your answer. So 100 तक ही होला सुई आए, समाइना होला सुई. कर्म मेथड लाई, सीजन लाई गनी. अदो वो सब मेथड कर ला कने 100 से ना बना best आप. But anyway, अब इस तरह होत पनी ना हो जे. मतंग fraction द होत से. यार को, यार ने को, मका कोई अदो दे होता रहे जिना. Right? Let's move to the next question. Anyway, give it a try. Try the tone here. What pangambrio? By selling an article for 19.5 IGSP later. Dealer makes a profit of 30%. My profit later. How much he increases selling price so as to make profit 40%. So profit of 40% or another ma kaya the you want the gay have 100 to hochira fraction the hochira. 100 no chiko. So let's say cost price to 100 and low. SP ani di ma haji. Yung ahan bada kya hoiba 30%. Aduna ba 30% oy ra bani na. Magi selling price to ahan ba kya warni 130. Now see 130 se kya kamane in terms of rupees 19.5 ka. Okay, but how much should he increase his selling price so as to make a profit 40%? I was 30 kak tong amane hojima kya tong pa me 40 aduna 140 right kya angle actually sai se pura kya angle 10 angle aduna sigi 10 je putho aega right 130 is siga mana re so from here okay 1 kya tani 1 is going to be 19.5 divided by 130 then 10 puto sigi 10 je puto na kaya henga kata kya hai 130 or mani 140 wala di kya henga le 10 henga le sigi increase of price 10 di kya ka mana gani 19.5 130 into 10 to katha na ro kya tare so 13 na divide taromba yaane na khale so it will be how much 13 and 13 5 so the answer is 1.5 sida kai to hot pa 100 to hot pa right हमको तास cost price तो 100 and low profit क्या है 30 so 130 the you already this is your selling price 130 से क्या कमाना है actually by given by the question 19.5 कमाने अदो होजे profit क्या वाला है 140 that means क्या है गले 10 अदो ना होजे question दा हंगे से सी हेंगल लगा दो पैसा मशीन 10 जाए क्या ना होगा 130 सी कमाना नहीं 1 क्या कमाने 19.5 divided by 130 तो 10 buto and lower is that's answer. Yani ko. Yare lower. Okay. Now fraction ki dong hochira. So the fraction ngata wala ni ko. Ayam. Yes. Okay. What is the fraction about? First, what is the profit? 30%. 30% I will have no. It's like 3 by 10, right? Let's see this is cost price and this is your profit. Aduna. Cost price क्या 10 selling price क्या 3 एंगल है बना तो बता दी 13 तारे ना right selling price 13 now according to the question housing selling price क्या है पर पांबा you want to make the profit as 40% right हाँ ना profit सी P1 है लगे P2 क्या होगा पांबा P2 40% है बता क्या 4 by 10 है बहुत चमाने right अदो सी कब तक ना रोनो को कब तक ना रदी नंग सी cost price to 5 lakh ne right ado 10 man halo ka the cost price fix hoy bini na so like 4 by 10 na tum thamo now ado hoji kya lahan do ba 10 ora mani profit 14 right kya hengal sida 1 to sigi 1 ki value se puto ai bani hana 13 ora mane 14 hengal hai ado tadi sigi kya hengal ke do puto ai bani now question de to puto nei rai line 13 se kya ka mane 13 सिगी 13 जे सेलिंग प्राइस से क्या माने पे 19.5 rupees का माने पे हेंगत पर हाबदी 1 दी क्या माना नहीं 19.5 divided by 30, that means 1.5. So that is the answer. Loading sima ne ha sen kai tong ne lege right. So dance matiem to thos ya poni right what bagi anyway this question I have made it especially for you no me am ngi to poni ai option jo hapte tell me the answer. Any method to hot pe hai fraction method to hot kera percentage method to hot kera right ye ngo follow do kya tage yo anyway फिर हो सके fraction method था right okay first ये ngo loss क्या ने है loss is 5% है बदी क्या 5 by 100 है बदी क्या 1 by 20 कितंग समझल लगे को let's move to that 1 by 20 ताकि cost price क्या selling price क्या cost price 20 loss है बदी ना minus था और ताकि selling price क्या था ने 19 now उसी की 19 से क्या कमाना है in terms of money 1140 कमाना है right now question था ना मा क्या earn टाउनिंग में पांबा what is the price so the was be sold to earn profit so होजी मा profit earn टाउनिंग क्या 5% है बदी 1 by 20 है बदी cost price तो दी माना तो भी आदि को माना रहे को 20 ने होजी क्या टाउनिंग बा 1 टाउनिंग बा that means selling price तो 21 तो होजी हंगी दिमाग की selling price है 21 की value क्या ताक दगे हंग बनी right इसलिए हम लाए ना तो सी की value हंग बने होजी क्या तो यो लगा दी 5% तो दगे है बनी 5% तो है बदी 21 दे यो ला में 20 भी तो 21 दे यो ला बनी तो 21 की value in terms of money पुतो है बनी so 19 क्या का माना करे 19 is equivalent with 1041 पुतो divide तो क्या तारने 19 तो I think 6 नहीं आवन तो 60 rupees तामाले 1 दी 21 दी क्या का तारने 21 दी 60 into 21 that means 06126 rupees so that is your answer यारेगा यारा मने निकल anyway next question screen की मांग ले रहे हो जेक oh yeah very interesting one yeah okay hold on a slightly different question is that is okay no 20 article की cost price to ga size है cost price of 20 articles तो क्या कमाना है बा SP of 15 articles कमाना है बा right सिगदी हम live method हम पी के अनीजिना yung cost price siga selling price अनीजिना माना है से कम करना माना गनी LCM दा माना गनी जानता को so what I'm saying is that si अनीजिना माना गया है तादी आई आप पे explain तौरंगे तो का सलाह समझन जी LCM of 20 and 15 की value दा मवानी जे माना गनी है बने okay जानता को so you first find out what is the LCM of 20 and 15 क्या ताने 60 आ रहा है तो मवानी की पैसा अनि मग तो 60 rupees ने ना if you take this 60 rupees right पुथो है दिस मायना इसलिए नंग पुथो रहा आजू आ रहा cost price क्या नो और selling price क्या नो or else अतोप method अमा हाई क्या है रखना shortcut method अमा what क्या है रखना केम ताउरो नो सी की नाकन the cost price take the cost price as 15 and selling price as 20 ताकि ना cost price तो क्या नहीं ना लौरा बा cost price तो I am taking as 15 selling price as how much 20 अतो दी how much gain here क्या तोंगी 5 तोंगी right 5 अतो मान हो जी हंगी ना करी profit percentage तो what is the profit percentage क्या तोंगे है बा 5 cost price क्या होगा मतलब दा 15 remember मकादा always cost price लाकने को and then into 100 okay अब क्या तारे 100 by 3 है बदी क्या no it is nothing but 33 whole number 1 by 3 percentage and that is your answer line नत्रा सी क्वेश्चन नंग x पाल हो लेता दी xy पाल हो लेता दी हाँ नंग मिनट अमर दी है न चंग ने but in examination competition examination दे कोई ना के दोगा yam thuna hole ngai phare hai bane to sigi method che thangda taragadi nang adum complain tor le ni ha ai hei di hei bane ba ko du ya da bane ba ko hai ya da di kana de ba dum exam le hone ba so ego do khaga thadu o ba ko right so luduna smart way the learn to use that's the best way to crack the exam gen taina koi gi khara heiraga pang mu paduna di kana da bane okay kamu jai dana ko right adune ne hai how okay anyway next yes top question now next question okay hayo a fruit seller purchases oranges at the rate of 3 4 5 rupees okay I have to get sina number ni sina cost price na lupa manga na nang kaya laibi ay hai ba orange ahum laibi ay hai ba ganda ko right aduga yun mo tam na sells them at 2 4 rupees 2 4 rupees 4 hai ba at the selling price na rupees 4 number kya yo le hai ba 2 oranges yo le hai okay so makha do yirage ko kita like get ma tham season cost price ni to season kya 2 oranges 2 oranges orange ani lupa kya do yo le hai ba lupa marida adi tadi magi profit putho hare khallo kita kamai tar hot kin see to we are am lai then cost 3 orange ki cost price kya hai 5 aduna cost price of 1 orange putok pe hai natra cost price of 1 orange kya tani 5/3 fraction ni so aduna selling price of 1 orange putok pe hai which will be rupees 2 adagi nang cost price ka selling price per then you can calculate but see fraction je yari ngai avoid tauna ba koi ko nai okay now look orange amada yon ba paisa do orange tara do yon ba profit ko chamana roi manani right aduna what we have to do in this type of question is that sige masing je hana mana halo 2 ga 3 ga yo 2 ga 3 ga mana je kam kana mana gani LCM of 2 and 3 kya ta hai these are prime numbers so 2 and 3 to 6 ta hai aduna si mana ge hai tar ga this ta kya na puri ro si 6 tan ga is the kya na multiply tauni 2 na multiply tauni so 6 orange left side 2 na multiply tauni right side so 10 na multiply tauni sorry 2 na multiply tauni and we got 10 now so 2 ni 6 tan ga kya na puri is the 3 so this will be 6 oranges and here it will be 12 adita di number mana re 6 orange ki cost price 10 ni 6 orange ki selling price actually this column is for selling price right 6 orange ki selling price na lupa kya 12 aita de kya from here to here how much gain 2 right 2 na tro gain ja aita de putho ne what is the profit percentage kya no 2 rupees cost price kya da 10 da into 100% Katanaro 0 and what is the answer 20% is the answer that's it see mangai lore so this is the question see SSC banking they am hangra question ngani so this is called basic see basic ni ko so again advanced way ma'am lai adu na ko heyang matang ai shama ki ya adu kan du na see this is your basic question right amka ye kem na te aham badhai je ke no 3 orange ki cost price to 5 ni 2 orange ki selling price 4 then masing mana da in the first we have to do is mabani ki orange masing to mana le 6 la right okay orange ki masing mana ra matung da nang yengo cost price kya no 10 selling price kya no 12 kya to nge selling price na hela bana thro selling price is greater than cost price that means 2 rupees gain or the profit puto kai ta the gain or profit divided by cost price into 100 that's all that's the answer see mangai that's all right next question okay study akoi ngasai hai gi budo yo सिगुम्बा क्वेश्चन से दम कमाई तौके हाई कंसीडर सिदे कोइना फ्रैक्शन सिना बजे प्रॉब्लम थोकन अदुना सी क्वेश्चन से दे कई सिना गदाबा लाइक 100 सिनो that will be best yang siko fraction सिना ju ya yabudi but no issue but fraction सिना kan da convenient oi da khara lai aduna ni anyway size a dagi b da yon ma tam da kya tonge hai ba 20% b dagi c da mu yon ba kya tonge hai ba 25% aduga c na kya pay taw hai ba actual da 1500 rupees aita di a na kaya da lai rakhige hai ba right so a na lai rakhi do khang bra khang de so let's take it that 100 ta kya tonge 20 so b ne lai kan ta kya ta 120 now 120 plus 25% profit have ni 25% क्या कमा नहीं 1/4 ओके सी 1/4 पुतो 30 नहीं को तो 30 दूसरे 8 तो उससे क्या आता है 150 ऐसा दी 150 क्या कमा नहीं so 150 is equivalent with now 150 दो rupees in terms of rupees 1500 कमा नहीं right तो 1 क्या कमाना का नहीं 1 will be equal to rupees 10 but अकोई तो क्या नो पुतवा is 100 तो क्या कमाना का नहीं 100 is nothing but 1000 rupees and that is the answer my friend see answer yam line of hot pair so kay mo na fraction holam tara ka di pudong cha do me am la ka ne okay let's say nasana yeng jaro ko fraction holam tara ka di kamai la ka ne kan see I petang clue mo piram ge see di gyan dar ni ko I hope so yengs fraction da kay ko man lom ta di fraction da yengs ne 20 has 20% has kya no 1/5 have the cost price 5 ni mane yom ka no 1 to ngam 6 ki amu hoji kya 25% have ni 25% have 1/4 4 am puthor ko matam da so 1/4 am puthok tar ka di kya tani 1.5 then means 7.5 adu na fraction lai da na ko actually ta bu ta ne ba 7.5 se kya ka mane hai ba in actual 1500 rupees right ado ko no puthok to sina kya 5 puthwan 1 puthwan right तो point मांगन ग्रो 7.5 मुझे 0 में ऑप्शन बिरो so 75 लाने right 75 right तो 5 पुथो है 75 to 2 ना right 250 right 200 तारे so 5 पुथो के है दी 5 into 200 1000 rupees ताव दी ताने पर तुमको no issue with that but the thing is कितना complicated हुई ना अदु ना कोई ना fraction में तो पे वन right next question let's say बोलो क्या तारे हम सीजू ऐसा सीधे हम खराब क्वेश्चन नहीं यंग सी कमाई तो भी आगे तक ये है नहीं यो selling price 832 है मतलब दा फंगबा loss to profit to गा आई दी cost price इला रहेगा my selling price ना 832 है रे सी selling price सीधा फंगबा करी profit to ga profit I will somewhere so something cross then she booked see jiga see sp1 selling price amana kya hoy matam da 448 hoy matam da pangwa loss to ga I this then she book ki distance right then she book x arrow sima wani ki this x arrow ani je ma nahi hai pani actually adu itar ka di in order to make profit 50% तोंगे है तार का दी मांगे selling price क्या होगी तो क्या है तो first of all selling price पुतो क्या है ताकि cost price आना खंगवा हम कर चंगी now cost price क्या होगी तो क्या है from here to here right क्या ओए नहीं tell me यो खनाउ ने here 448 ले रहे then 832 ले रहे the sum number हम कर ले रहे this is your actually cost price then C book distance ga C book distance ga chamana have the ratio is 1:1 total di kya ta ne what is the total the distance C book total distance kya no 1 nam le 2 na to this distance is 2 actually what is the distance yo then C book na kya 832 C book na kya 448 aduna 832 minus 448 to 2 ga mana ga ne okay you know the concept Sigi distance ka mane have na the ratio will be 1:1 aduna total distances the ratio da di kya lane 2 lane this one plus this one but then sib ki distance in terms of number yenge 832 minus 448 to aduna 2 is equal to kya tara gaya how much is that okay, am I doing something wrong or what? Not wrong. 832 minus 448 क्या तारा गया 4 काय तो होगा 4 5 and then 8 and then क्या तारा गया and then 484 तारे 2 क्या गमाने 484 का 1 क्या गमाना गनी 242 गमाना गनी हाई में कि 8 दिस देने सिर्फ की डिस्टेंस है 242 अदे तादी कॉस्ट प्राइस क्या तार नी कॉस्ट प्राइस तो 448 प्लस 242 ताबरा दुदी ताबरा क्या तार है 8,042 and इसे 8,000 क्या तार है so what is the cost price I see price रब तो गया tell me what is the cost price हौजे को ये cost price है हौजे क्या तार है 448 plus 242 that means 10 8 9 and then how much 690 chumbre ngu 690 then siêu siêu yung then si khai do na 242 da 242 8 tora d taramani 8 tade 3 somewhere something is wrong then 8 tora soy bro 690 dagi 242 690 the 242 8 tora d no tade something is wrong right kai da la liyo somewhere here 4 so there something is wrong so it will be 384 so one should be how much 192 so that's duni kita nga soy but the soy is in 192 so 192 at lo here kya tara ke yeah si me lo mutata di are roi ko de okay 448 right 448 plus 192 right so 10 to 40 and then 640 so 640 is that correct 2192 this is 192 yang se 192 8,000 right 192 830 so here it's okay 192 say 192 830 here also 832 right so now the cost price of the cost price is now how much 640 later so this is my cost price now sell price in order to make a profit of 50% so 50% selling price so what is the selling price to the 640 plus 50% 50% 1/2 profit to 640 to the tankai half right very quickly 320 how much is that 960 is that correct yeah 960 is the answer okay next question slightly different profit earned by selling an article at 900 is equal to double the loss incurred when the article is sold for 600 okay but the cost price so the selling price kya 600 to duga the selling price तो SP1 SP2 है चलो नहीं ना था amana kya da yol hai 900 now sigi 900 da yon bagi kariba profit sina loss da yon bagi mon da kya hoy ba 2 times hoy have ni this is the loss 1 hoy ta this is the kya hoy have profit to 2 times hoy have ni right so the 1 hoy ta se 2 hoy have ni right adu itara gadi manangi se what is the sell price of the article to make the profit 40% da yon gai tara gadi selling price ano bado puthok hoy bani so first of all akoi kai puthok pa darkar hoy cost price puthok pa darkar hoy so chama nei ngai side ka cost price puthok kamai puthok kani technique to sinar sidang na xy ga low la di ha matam kyam chang ga da ge ru yeng khallo na tram aduna smart way da ko no hot pa je tam je bi wani anyway gyan ta dra ga ju video in ta ga li je hanjan na yeng na bani mayam gi tamak ta okay so aduna sigi video je hanjan lum yengu gyan ta da matang du da ko adu gyan ta ra kan yum da lem ni kai ni ngai du oi de na tra oi du oi de na mobile pa sum yeng bu na tra gyan ta da matang hanjan yeng a loi de Sadananda gumboy ramadi phadawa na tra kai ku gumboy ra de nga na is power dom ne na tro film da pa ya wa ne pa ya ta ya dam ni ko the math se koi de gi mu aina sum khan da husikan angang je math lo ba yam to the math lo ba ki kana da ba du da moi ha math lo dra su ya and then kari ma yam bangal we re na hoi nang ma ti yam phangi be nang ki 12 ten 12 da kai da adu ai ha ls ko 12 pok ti ma kong ba chen seng ani ba math kai no hai kan se da yang nang exam me am lai se lak to se ko UPSC na low exam la UPSC low exam ha se kai no IS me senior me am target ta re then CAPF kind see these are vacancy very less the vacancy am less oi ba hoi nang na UPSC tha ge hai ta ra ga di hoi ya I understand to right but UPSC the me low to se him around 900 800 katane si CPF kai ju chama ne chong cham mi katane khan du whereas stegi kitang lai thorak pada nang kai lakani thaba kwai logudi banking lakani railway lakani and then SSC lakani the vacancies in terms of thousands and thousands of banking guy the chahi mada oi hoji pudi kara handare matam da moina bank amam gi loram mi se total se around koina banking gi hai tare ko banking the insurance option ji ko chamana bu question nga keno nga tane pattern nga tane to see banking them around you know chahi the around 15 to 20,000 lower me vacancy SSC di tum hoji so hoji khara budi handare 8 to 10,000 or 20 adum low e moju right so SSC ki mam like exam me am do punjila di chahi the vacancy the 25,000 mu lai rang ni railway di ongna jam insurance ki jo punjila ga let's say some yam draw the 5,000 to 8,000 sida ne mayam khai da gi khara line changwa yaris nang UPSC IAS CPF kai du di togan ba level amagi ne hai level amagi ne ha ba du di the exams are very much different aduga moi gi na mu tongan na chatkre adu kitang lai thorak pada thawag yam thu na phangning adi sine ba yam darkar waris aduga sida nang keno yaw da bra hai maths yaw da bra ha di yaw adu su natte su maths yaw hoi important yam oi di hai bai wani mai weight test kitang han de hai wani but nang maths ai gi bai nang gi weight test dum la kane even IAS wa gero CAPF wa gero aduna maths se tam ho gen da maths se akoi gi evolve ta kar matam matung ne evolve sum tor chak khine ba aduna noi ne x ki anka holding ai da mi na som da akoi gi sumaina kodo hot khrani aduna hai pecado I question de live ni ai kitang soi bane ai question do pa nang ho da gi computer da some ade ano wong thore computer sumaina number da key do computer number da ko gi mouse to chatta ba gi yaad ba ni kai na right mit thakat ki da yaad ba ni ga explanation ne makan ne me am je ko pire but nang no face the real problem chama na mi ku to loi face the ring ar so don't give excuses people the am lie mani then adagi ko na excuses piba adagi mi sida ba arai phone ngak tani natra ai thagli ba video je tiktok kum bagi video thagla di nga na ju ka do ni thousands of likes me alla views me alla ni mukbang nungbang tawra ga di anyway adubo aduna ai haining idi ken hai kan mi is not that serious you video kana ba je kanam ka su yeng to bani exam kana ya bi wati hoi kana di kana ni na ko isa dum hai ge si kana di have di ar kana video je di kanam yeng dam ne to duga ꯑꯇꯩ ꯃꯨꯛꯕꯪ ꯀꯣꯏꯕ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯗꯥ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯚ꯭ꯌꯨꯗꯣ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯄꯣꯏꯟꯇꯤ ꯁꯤꯅꯤꯗ seriously prepare tꯧꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯏꯔꯩ ꯂꯩꯇꯕꯅꯦ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯊꯤꯔꯨ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ seriously prepare tꯧꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯃꯊꯛꯀꯤ some thousands ꯈꯛꯇꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ preparation ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯅꯣꯏꯗ ꯃꯨꯛꯈꯥꯏꯅꯔꯒ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯅꯣꯏ thousandsꯇ ꯈꯛꯇꯅꯤꯀꯣ तसेंना हागदे not that serious okay aduduna khallo aduduna yengo kari tawgadam na hadu isan loi gyan tanarba ngaktani right natra haijan mada kan da lete ado match si hairadi thabak se thabak ki wadi se khuka bi ka loi amam ta loi na any loi achawbagi di khangde ko like I'm not sure I'm not talking about all the jobs loi na mag haibnati but nang banki ama phaw gi target insurance ki ju and then the SSC ki ju matang loi phaw ne ba sima guarantee so match hayo match na ki ne nang English or nang GS ro adak mi ma ka su am khena da bane ba English nang kyam khena duri ge GS ta kyam khena duri ge you are not that dumb right English ira ko ti notice ma sa jin English ta dum loi hai bani right adu loi pa na ra kane hayeng difference lak tu se kai da nang maths ka reasoning ga da so there will be a lot of difference aduna decide tawgine ba heng thak phangba na traga phangdabdo aduna SSC gumba banking and then insurance gumba sector da thabak changi hai tadi mayam hayo na tadi kana roi hai ba adu do id match ai tram ne na pham leibun su kana roi ba right if you want the job then you have to work hard right and smart work su tawo aduna video je dum khaga yengo likes and shares tawo ya ai video kara advertisement haure okay coming back to our question yare cost price relationship to 1 is sensitive ki profit to na 2 times o yare well anyway adu tadi what is the distance here sensitive ki distance kya no 600 ni 600 to 900 pok ta distance kya lai re khaidok na ro 300 ani ji ki 8 tawra na kaya 3 ai tadi 3 kya ka mana re 300 ka mana 3 to 300 ka mana ra bani na 1 di kya ka mana gani 100 kamana kani adu tadi 1 hai baje kya nate 100 ni 6 tagidi 600 tagidi 100 eta solo hai bani na 700 ai tadi sida 200 ta jara mani masana tare ko 100 to 2 no ya chana re cost price of kya tare 700 cost price of this 700 tare that's we know now kya yola tong hai profit 40% selling price kya hoy tagi 700 plus 700 to give profit kya 40% I will know 40 by 100 I will know 28 this is the out na can't I know 700 28 tai right questions where is ala questions so ira jala yengo 40% option jawab dre I'm not sure question sora chala yengo check to tarakta bhai ji jo beramani right okay by profit selling 900 is double the loss when the same article is sold for 100 yeah 600 700 what should be the sale price to make 40% right 40% what is the issue okay so option the out the jala check to most of my tabra I don't know I'm not sure about this question anymore tadene let's see gyan je ha ngang da loi chat khrab jala yeng ji amuka okay ngang da loi pai thok khrab jala or I don't know right okay let's see 2 plus 1 is 3 900 100 nice 100 where any singa 200 where any right okay this is 1 this is 2 this is 1 right? 1 means 100, 6 plus 700, right? Up to this is okay. What should be the sell price of the article to make profit? 40%. 40% is 28, 728 right? Combine 928 combine 980, 1080, 1200, and this combine the options for right, somewhere here. So it should be 728 40%. तो cost price ठीक है ना, कोई 700 फंगे ना त्रा, right? 700 फंगम ना मागी 40%. 40% is 28, right? 28. सोरे तो यम तो सोरम दरे सोई बोले रमे इकाई नहीं नत्रा 700 की 40% है बद्दी सी कथन रगा इकाई नहीं होगा 980. So this is the correct answer. 40% buto soy boiler rame ikai ni. Okay, it happens, right? Brain je thabak torok tara di sigum bazu dum thok ta banate. So I think is kai neva. Let me rewind. यार कहाँ मांगता नहीं 1 + 2 तारे 3 तारे 3 तो क्या कमाना है 300 कमाना है 1 तो क्या कमाना है 100 रुपीस का अदर कॉस्ट प्राइस राइट 700 सेलिंग प्राइस क्या ताने बस 700 + 700 की 40% एट तौरो and we are getting here 980 aduga 980 do the answer de aina 40% puto ko soiram be wani right percentage ki yang hoga percentage ki video do yang then nang faster calculation to bang ngani 40% puto kya 10% is 70 40% is 280 adana ina khangai se right. Okay, so that's it kasi di swai lo shalo se mathang damu video atopa damu katang ha khara amuk nei na rajin natra. Anyway, thank you for listening. Thank you guys.